Good morning, everybody. So just getting these morning chores done really quick, and then we're going to be headed off to the build. Trying to put a window in today. It's still pretty cold, but it's definitely melting, which is giving us our mud season, which is super exciting. Let me see what's going on with these goats. Good morning, guys. Chiba, you still in a grumpy mood? All right, let's get you some grain. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Chicken. You don't have to move. No eggs over here yet. So yesterday I left my scoop for the chicken feed in there with the goats. So now I gotta go back and get feed for the ducks. I'm gonna be really excited to get this barn done, because then all the feed can be in one place and all the critters will be in one place. It'll be really nice. Good morning. Good morning. So we're having a couple of days of really good weather, and then we're actually moving into the 40s on a regular basis, it looks like, and the 30s and 20s at night. So we're definitely warming up, we're definitely thawing up, and that's really nice. Good morning, duckies. Good morning. Good morning, see how much the water froze last night. Hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning, mister. Good morning. All right, well, that's not bad. So we're trying to make it to where there's only a small amount of water in there that we can dump out in the morning, because they will get in it and poop. Hi. Hi, helper. Hi, helper. What you doing? What you doing, cute boy? And then that makes it really easy to just add a 5-gallon bucket of water a couple of times throughout the day, and then they have clean water. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys aren't even that thirsty. You're not even that thirsty. Let's get you some hay. Good morning, Chiba. How's that? It's good snacks? How many eggs did we get?
We got 3.
Are they warm or are they cold already?
I'm not sure how to answer that. They feel cold, but they don't feel like cold.
Like they were recently laid, but maybe like at least an hour?
Maybe.
All right, well, let's put them in our box to be incubated. So we're collecting eggs from the ducks. What I read is that you can, eggs can last 10 days. So we're starting, let's see, we have 11 eggs already, and then add today, so we have 14. So we're just gonna kind of collect for this next week, I think, and then we're gonna try to start the incubator. I'd really like to have a chicken that would sit eggs, or even a duck that would sit eggs. So if you know of a duck breed that goes broody really well, comment below, let me know, because I'm gonna be looking at trying to purchase a duck that will sit eggs for us so that we don't have to do the incubator. Plus, when mama duck hatches them out, she passes on her oils so the baby ducks can get right into the water, which is definitely a bonus. But that's our chores for today, guys. Sorry about the generator in the background. We're off grid here, and that's how we get our power. So we're getting ready to head off to our build on our tiny house. Let me show it to you. There we go. So if you haven't been over to 'Cause We Can Farms, go over there, check out our build. If you're interested in our treehouse shipping container, we're having a lot of fun out here. We're getting really excited for spring so that we can start our garden. Bye.